Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 14th, Monday morning, and grain markets higher this morning, especially in the old crop. Basically a reaction off of the USDA report. The rally that we seen on Friday, then a profit-taking setback right on the close. We're getting some more buying coming in here when traders have a chance to digest these numbers that the USDA put out. We're going to be working with these numbers for several months, especially the usage numbers, the quarterly stocks numbers that were out as of December 1st. So those are key numbers. The main number that sticks out is the corn ending stocks at 602. Trade was looking for very little change in the ending stocks, maybe even an increase, but the USDA reduced the exports, they reduced the ethanol demand, and increased usage in the feed and residual. And we can get excited about that and say, yeah, that's great, but remember, when the feed and residual category, that's kind of the fudge factor that the USDA uses and can adjust the ending stocks accordingly because of that residual number. So we can get excited about it initially, but be careful down the road because that gives them an opportunity to make adjustments later on. The soybean ending stocks at 135, pretty much in line with what trade was expecting, raising the production and increasing demand, certainly in line there. The wheat market, I think, is the exciting market where we did see lower ending stocks than what the trade was expecting. We also are seeing world wheat prices, or U.S. wheat prices, near the lowest in the world right now. Should see some increase in demand there. The tighter supplies in corn should create some demand for wheat as well. So looking at the wheat market as some opportunity here, as that market has been beat up by many traders here over the last several months and weeks. The Commitment of Traders report out on Friday also showed that funds continued to reduce long positions in corn by 20,000 contracts last week, soybeans by almost 29,000 contracts last week. So the big question now, after a fundamental report like this, we know that we got tight supplies. What is the funds going to do? Are they going to come back in and buy and could rebuild their long positions? Are they going to continue to sell? And that's something we're going to have to watch here over the next several weeks. We've got the other news that's out as far as the demand side of the equation goes. We've got the Mississippi River barge traffic improving. Army Corps of Engineers are done with the rock removal, and some rain over the weekend or last week should improve water levels on the Mississippi. They've approved now for drafts up to 9 feet on barges, which is a huge help for barge traffic and should improve the prices of U.S. grains at the Gulf simply because of reduced shipping costs. So that could be positive and something that we have to watch here very closely as we move forward. The livestock trade, cash cattle, still in a battle where futures are higher than cash. Cutout values are dragging behind. We thought we'd see much better demand for beef here after the first of the year. We certainly have not seen that yet. Choice beef was up 43, select up 47. Pork cutout values were up 43. I think the hog industry, with the cold weather that we had around the New Year's time, and we also had holiday markets with reduced slaughter, we're starting to see some of those hogs move to market, and that's why packers have been certainly reluctant to pay up for them. They've also got negative margins in the pork industry and the slaughter process, so they're definitely waiting and seeing if they can buy these hogs as cheap as possible. So expect to see some further adjustments here, and although the cattle market and hog markets are oversold, we may see some adjustments there today. Keep in touch with Allendale's research. We'll try to keep you informed the best we can. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. Also want to remind everybody this Allendale conference coming up here on the 25th and 26th of January. There's still some seats available. Call us or just sign up online, and we'd love to have you at the conference here in a couple weeks. Wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.